All right, so today I'm going to be talking about creating templates or some ways that you can create sort of templates and reuse them for other projects. These could be things that you do commonly. So maybe in this example, we're going to kind of show, for example, to use a scenery piece like this, how you can kind of reuse this in other projects. We do have some templates kind of already created in decor pieces. Scenery is often one of the more complicated things to create like a sort of compiled object for. So in some of the decor pieces, you can kind of drag out some that are already created, like this one, for example, and it kind of groups them together. And then you could potentially go in and switch out some of the panels like this. So that's one way to use these. But if you've kind of created a set or design that that would take some time to sort of replicate each time from scratch, I'll show you here how to kind of a couple ways that you can create saved templates, if you will. So for this example, we'll say that everything here I want to save and possibly use it again. Maybe this is a setup that at least sort of emulates some stuff that I would be commonly doing. Again, like these panels here, I've kind of created and then grouped them together where I could adjust this sign that's on the front. I've also created, and I kind of just pushed some stuff off to the side that I wasn't using, but like over here, I have more of an individual pillar that I made here too. So what I'm going to do is pretty simple here. So I've created this whole set and I want to use this as kind of a common template. So I'm just going to go up here to my projects here. I'm going to create a new folder and we'll call it template set. Yours could probably be more specific than this, but from here I'm just going to create a new one, a new project, and we'll call this template 1, I guess. And that will save. It'll take a second to create the new project. And then you'll see it here. And so we'll just have to select it and then open it here. And once we've opened it, basically everything will be the same as we had it. Let me adjust the room lighting back to what we had it. So this is pretty much what we had from the start. And now you can make adjustments from here. So so you could make an adjustment in this template here, or what I could do is go and say, create another one and say template 2 with 4, we'll call them columns or something. And so maybe in this template or this version of the template, we will create 4 of those pillars that we had. So excuse the couple seconds here to load. And then once we're back in the project, so maybe in this scenario, we need to create 4 of these or something. So we can always basically go back to this project and create some stuff that we've created from this. So again, the kind of examples would be that if you know that you're going to use some scenery piece or some sort of set pieces often, you kind of best way would be to create a project where it has a lot of those items, and then you can always kind of create new projects based off of that stuff. So so if I knew that these columns were going to be used for my next upcoming project, I would just kind of start with this template, and maybe you could remove all the rest of the stuff. Like all these scenery pieces would be different maybe in this project, so maybe I want to start from scratch with those, but I want to keep these or adjust these. I can go into these now and start kind of adjusting. Maybe I want some different tiles or something like that to show up in those. You could go in and do that. So again, just some quick examples of how to kind of create projects that would be used as templates if you're using similar sets often. Cool. So that's it for today. Let us know if you have any questions. You can hit us up on our chat button that's in the bottom right corner of our website. For any quick questions and quick responses, we're available 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Time, or otherwise it'll leave us an email. And check out any other YouTube videos as well that we create. And we'll also be streaming live on Fridays, usually around 10 a.m. Mountain Time is when we start to do that. So all right, we'll see you next time. Thanks.